Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to download Trust Wallet on desktop. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Trust Wallet download. And once we are done, we get into this website over here. And here we can see download option. If we scroll, we can see this download for Chrome option over here. Simply tap on this. Here we can see this option called add to Chrome. Simply tap over here and click on add extension. And it's downloading. Downloading process can take few minutes. We need to wait till then. So it's done. Now simply tap on the extension over here. And now we are in Trust Wallet interface. So this is all. This is how we can download Trust Wallet on desktop. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.